So today we're going to do photography with fabric. Yeah? You want to do photography with fabric? Fabrics are so integral to our lives that they can be easily overlooked as an image making tool. But you can use fabrics to wrap your subject, create sets and backgrounds, and even shape and diffuse light. So this video is about how you can create images and tell evocative stories at home, even if all you've got is your granny's old curtains. Our first setup is to cloak the body with wet fabric, to break up the familiar shapes and create something a little bit challenging. For the second setup, we're using wet fabric on the model, and at the same time I'm using the same red fabric dry stretched between two lighting stands as the background, which I am then lighting through to create a silhouette of the subject, which should be pretty spooky. Jamie's currently standing in a bucket in the living room.
Hold. Fun.
For the third setup, I wanted to do something a little bit more light-hearted, so we stretched some linen between the camera lens and the subject to block out the world around you, which creates a much more intimate feeling portrait, which is quite nice. For the last setup, we stretched some linen across two stands, which we then tore a hole in the middle of, to create a kind of frame within a frame portrait. Well, that's just the absolute tip of the iceberg for what you can shoot with fabric, so hopefully this video will give you a couple of ideas of what you can do with it, and you can go out and create some amazing stuff whilst you're still locked down in your house. So I hope that helped. If it did help, like, share and subscribe as always. And as always, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.